Mm.
Good day, everybody. There's the hair we're going to cut today. And we're going to make it gentleman's haircut, short. How do you like it?
Not really short, not too long.
Something like that?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tapered.
Yeah, I want to take out the back, make it
Yes.
nice.
Okay, we're gonna make it
Handsome.
gentleman's haircut.
Yeah.
Gentleman here.
For a gentleman. Yeah. And
You first time and you're in the TV.
we're gonna use 1/16 attachment and a regular
Okay.
comb.
Isn't that be too short? No.
It'll be like that.
Ah.
Gentleman's haircut is just right. Not too short, not too long.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, that whole back can go away. Yeah. A lot of people are saying you look like you're going back to your young time, old days. Me and Simi, we used to have that kind of hair a long time ago.
I see.
Yeah. But when my wife passed away, I wanted to have a long hair again.
Okay. Well, maybe shorter hair becomes easier to manage.
Yeah.
Well, it's our custom.
Not using too much detergent to clean.
Yeah.
What's the puppy's name? What's the puppy's name? The dog.
Oh, Kaji and Jaya.
Kanji.
Kaji is the boy. Jaya is the girl.
Oh, you have a girl now.
We just got it a few months ago.
Yeah, I remember Kanji. That's a buggy,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good, bro. That's good, man. Yeah.
That's another one, another one.
And then, maybe later, we can do online haircutting. Did I tell you that? No. I think
Mm.
online haircutting will be good.
You can start cutting hair online now.
They say, honey, can you cut my hair? Sure. You don't need to
We do it by
ask,
Zoom.
where are you?
We do it by Zoom.
You don't need to know where I am. As long as we can connect, you know? Through these devices like phone or whatever kind of camera.
Get them on Facebook, yeah?
If we can connect.
So usually my hair was like that. See that thing that with that I got? Yeah,
Oh, that one?
yeah.
Okay.
It's got the
Make it shorter, huh?
yeah.
He used to have an afro when he was young.
Yeah, it's got
Hey,
long after. Yeah.
afro like that.
Know how to make demonstration over the video. That's all I need. And keep it. That's all you need so that you can
Bald head with the tail. That was right after Afro. We cut the Afro, bald head, and then a long tail in the back.
So I'm
Remember that old Hawaiian guy used to be running the
video
Waiau?
can help us.
Remember Waiau singing in the prison?
First, I already heard statements like, oh, I would be able to do it. Oh, I'll miss that day. Oh, I might get on the ear, hair will fall off. Feel about it. Because tools nowadays is very good. Let's not back off that way. Either that or parting on the left side or
Let's see.
that is the, to me, that's the benefit of hair that has little wave or curl. Then and I put this on.
Tropical roots. Growth oil. Okay.
Hopefully It does what it says.
Where you picked that up from?
Sally's, or I believe they got it at Walmart or Walgreens or Quick Mart.
Okay.
Sally's is probably a little more expensive, but if you get it from Walgreens or Walmart, maybe it's cheaper. Or I also use this.
Okay.
It's Medano.
Okay.
Is that? Or the other one? I use them both. You can do the same. When it's becoming so low, when it lays down really low, you can do that. Bring it down. And let's see what we got.
Look alright. Look alright. Oh yeah.
Why are we?
Good.
Yeah, okay, so. All right, so
Nice and short.
this is medium tapered.
Okay.
Tapered in the back, medium short inside, or medium long.
All right. Well,
Now he knows where to go. Next time he come on his own.
There it is.
yeah.
Medium tapered.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you very much. That looks
You're
good.
welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Oh.